Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Grace, and today is the first video of a 3-part office chair yoga series. Many people these days sit for a majority of their workday, or at least for long periods of time, which can have a strong negative impact on our overall health. One of the simplest answers to this problem is taking frequent movement breaks throughout the workday. This can be a walk around the office, outside, a short stretch, or as we'll do in these videos, 5, 10, and 15-minute yoga sequences, which will not only bring some movement to our bodies, but will also give our minds a chance to reset and reconnect with our breath and our body so that we can return to work refreshed both physically and mentally. All you'll need for today's video is yourself and a chair, so let's get started. We're going to begin in mountain pose. Palms face down on your knees. Let's find our breath. Neutral spine, lengthen through the crown of the head, and ground through your feet. Simply notice your breath. Notice how your body's feeling. And bring your attention inward. When you're ready, we're going to inhale and bring our right arm up and over to the left side of our head. Bring right ear to right shoulder for a nice stretch in the left side of your neck. We're not pulling on our head, just a very light pressure. And release. Inhale, bring the left arm up and over. Let's take that on the left side, left ear to left shoulder. And release. Inhale, bring both arms up just as high as is comfortable today. And if you feel like it, interlace your fingers and flip palms to the sky. Get a nice stretch in your arms and your shoulders. And on your next exhale, release palms to knees. On your next inhale, bring your right foot up and over your left thigh. Or you can also just cross your ankles here, whatever's comfortable. Find where you get a good stretch in your hip. You can place your leg anywhere along here. And if you need a little more space, feel free to slide your left foot out a little bit. And let's hold here for a few breaths. And if you feel like you need a deeper stretch, simply hinge forward at the hips, straight back, just as far as is comfortable to get a nice stretch in your hip. And on your next exhale, release your foot to the ground, and let's take that on the other side. Left foot over right leg. Notice that this side might feel a little bit different than the other. Same thing here, feel free to slide your right foot out or play around with wherever you can get a nice stretch in that hip. And let's hold here for a few deep breaths. And on your next exhale, release your foot to the ground. Now open up your feet just as wide as is comfortable here. We're going to inhale, bring our arms up. And with our exhale, just halfway lower them into cactus arms. Wide palms, ground through your feet. Strong core and long spine. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, twist to the right, left hand to right knee, right hand to back of chair. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, take that on the left, right hand to left knee, left hand to back of chair. And inhale up. And exhale, bring your palms back to your knees, return your feet to shoulder width apart. Now let's place our hands on our belly. Feel free to soften or close your eyes. Come back to your breath. Thank yourself for taking these 5 minutes for you, for your mind, for your body. Know that you can come back to this whenever you need it. And when you're ready, open your eyes, come back to neutral. And thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope that you feel refreshed and reconnected, ready to get back to your workday. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you again soon.